This video tutorial I will explain toString method of arrays class which accept float array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the float array. Then I am calling toString method of arrays class and passing float array. This method returns string representation of this float array. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.